Hi, good afternoon folks, it's Simon here at Vans Today in Worcester, and I'm here to give you a video walk around of this 2021 on a 21 plate. It is the Ford Ranger 2-litre TDCi bi-turbo 213 brake horsepower Wildtrak. Okay, bit of a mouthful. One keeper from new, it has covered 63,000 miles and it does come with a full service history with it as well. Really nice specification Ranger, to the point I've actually been running around in it myself for the last couple of weeks. You'll see that in a second with all the kit in the back. But anyway, drives really well, lovely looking thing. Now, for those of you that haven't seen any of our videos before, the purpose of the video is to give you a warts and all video walk around of the truck, so you get an idea of exactly what it is that you're buying, and then you can make that informed decision whether this is the vehicle for you or not. So let's get going, and we'll start up here on the roof. The roof is all in good order. You got the factory roof rails there. You got the nice hard top on the back. It's a Pegasus hard top. It is the wing back one, so all the sides open on it as well. It's a really nice hard top. That's about £3 worth of hard top as well. So roof all looking good. Windscreen, again, that's all good. It is the heated quick clear version of it as well. No major stone chips or cracks or nothing along those kind of lines to worry about. Coming down onto the bonnet is also in good all-round condition. No major stone chips or marks, nothing like that to worry about. And then to the front of the vehicle, your front grills, bumper, etc. are all in good order. Front and rear parking sensors and a rear camera on this one. You've got LED daytime running lights, you've got the front fog lights, and you've got the automatic headlamps as well. Passenger side headlamp unit, that is in overall good condition. Your passenger side front bumper corner, there is a minor little mark here. I think the mop might make it look a little bit better, but there is going to be a little mark left over on it. Minor little bit of hedge rash there, but we can get rid of that with a mop. We've just washed and leathered it just to get a photo and video done specifically for a customer that was after one, to be fair. Front fog lights are all looking good. And then look down the side profile of the truck from this angle, and you can see there's a nice mirror finish to the paintwork. There are no major dents or dings to worry about, all very straight and tidy. Around to the driver's side headlamp unit, that's in good order, and then your driver's side front bumper corner also in good order as well. Have a look down the side profile of the truck from this angle, and again a nice reflection to the paintwork, and everything's looking pretty neat. Driver's side front wing, overall clean and tidy. Driver's side front alloy wheel, a couple of minor little marks on the alloy wheel. To be fair, a bit of tar and adhesive will get rid of some of that. It's the stuff that they actually delivered from when new. If the dealership doesn't clean them off properly, it just gets glue and stuff fitted to it over the years. Anyway, I digress. Alloy wheel, it's not curbed or anything like that. You got a Bridgestone dual tyres. So you got two Bridgestone dual tyres on the front, and you got some BF Goodrich all-terrains on the back. If I was keeping it, I'd probably match up the BF Goodrich all-terrains, but completely up to you. We can also match up the Bridgestone dualers, but there's nothing wrong with the tyres that's on it, okay? Because as you can see, loads of tyre tread depth on there as well. Mirror unit, that looks like it needs a new indicator in it. It's got water ingress into it, so we'll put one of those into it for you. Mirror unit itself is good, the mirror itself is good, and your driver's side door glass, that's also in good order. Coming down onto your driver's side door, and again overall good condition. There are a couple of minor little marks, one there, a couple of minor little marks there. They're kind of quick touch-in stuff. It's obviously had a door protector on it at some point. Somebody's taken it off, so it has just left that little bit of a mark there. You know, bang another door protector on it, you won't see it. Nice reflection, as you can see. Unfortunately, you can see me. Rear driver's side door, all looking good. You've got rear privacy glass on the back end. You've got the factory side steps fitted to it as well, and those are in good condition, as you can see. You've got front and rear mud flaps fitted. The rear tub, we have a minor little mark there, which again I think we can probably get out with a bit of polishing mop. Obviously, being black, you know what black's like, it looks the best, but obviously it does show up some of the marks, doesn't it? Driver's side alloy wheel on the back, couple of minor marks onto the alloy wheel there, as you can see, but again, as I've already mentioned, BF Goodrich tyre fitted to it. All of the arches and stuff, again, we've just given it a quick wash. I live down a country lane, so it's a little bit muddy. As I say, those are really, really handy. The whole setup of this vehicle is how I would set it up if I was ordering it new. I love the fact you can just get in to the back of the vehicle from here as well. Yeah, those side tops are really handy. Rear light unit, that's all looking good. Let's look down the side profile from this angle. There you go. Nice mirror finish to it, isn't there? And then let's give you a side profile shot. I have just noticed a little parking ding I'm going to point out to you. So side profile, all looking nice. And as I say, we have just noticed, can you see? It's a really tiny little one. I'm fairly sure my dent man can get it out, but there we go. And now to the back. Now this, for me, is what sells this vehicle. So there's your backwards view. There's your tailgate. All nice and tidy. Rear bumper with reverse parking sensors. The step, as you can see, that's not done a lot of hard work, has it? And then you've got your factory tow pack there as well. But opening up this is the Bjort. Okay, so you've got the twin drawer setup with the pull-out floor as well. What do I mean by pull-out floor? Okay, so the telephone's just gone off. Cut me off. Steven Spielberg, I am not. So as you can see, this pulls out. That, if you use pickups, you know how useful that is, because you can just access everything. Pop it on here. You've got your strap down points on here as well. And yeah, it's so much easier than trying to dive into the cabin and try and get stuff out. It does just push back in as so, like that. And as you can see inside, all looking good. Obviously the previous owners had some bits and pieces fitted to the inside of it. I think they did. Yeah, they must have had quite a bit of kit fitted to this thing. And then you've got the drawer system. And as you can see, this is packed full of my stuff at the moment. This is generally what we're carrying around with us all the time. All the tow straps for the trailers and all of that. But yeah, it's just, for me, you know, you can pop all of that into there and it's all out of the sight. It's all secure. They are lockable, those trays are as well. So a really nice idea. Now, that setup alone is, I think, 1,500 quid. I think that might be plus the VAT. How do I know that? Because I have just bought another setup for another pickup that we were going to use. So yeah, and it's a lovely bit of kit. In the back of it here, as you can see, all of this is nice and tidy. In between here, it's not scratched and battered to death and full of cement and mud and all of that you generally get when they worked hard. I suggest this has probably been some kind of engineering van or engineer's van, just with the way that it's all set up. Again, opens up on that side, and again, there's another access into there. So really nice bit of kit, isn't it? Now, corner bits here, light units are all looking good. Looking down the side profile from this angle, that's all looking good as well. We have got, as you can see, Ollie's just missed this little bit here, okay, but that's just dirt. That is, to be fair, a little bit of lacquer peel there, or something. The way it's kind of brushed on, it's almost like it's something that's flicked up against it. So there is an imperfection there in the paintwork. But the rest of it, I think if that's your only thing on a vehicle of this age of miles, is pretty good, isn't it? AdBlue and fuel filler there. Again, alloy wheel this side. Again, a little bit of a mark there on the alloy wheel. Again, another matching BF Goodrich tyre. Again, it's not full of mud or anything like that. It's just where I've lived. And then privacy glass, passenger rear door, that's all looking good. Passenger side front doors all looking good. Door glass this side's good. Mirror unit this side, overall good. We've got a little bit of a break there on the, it's only kind of like a cosmetic cover surround thing. If it's not a big deal, I'll replace it. If it's a big deal, like Ford turn around and go, there's a whole mirror unit, sir, and that's 500 quid, then with respect, I won't. But if it's something quick and simple, we'll sort it for you, right? Passenger side front door, all looking good. Passenger side front wing, again, that's all looking neat and tidy as well. On the front, again, a Bridgestone dual tyre that matches your tyre on the other axle alloy wheel this side. It's the passenger one. They always get a few marks on them, don't they? But overall, it ain't too bad. Right, moving inside. And inside, I don't think it's a bad old truck either. So door cards, as I say, it's had a very quick valet. We will valet it properly. It's got these very comprehensive rubber mats fitted to it. Back of the seats all looking good. Headlining inside, let the camera adjust. It's the ebony black headlining. That's all pretty good. Back seats overall nice and tidy. There is a mark here on the seats. Yeah, not a lot I can do about that bit, I'm afraid. You do have ISOFIX, so you've got 2 ISOFIX bits in the back. And obviously, centre armrest folds down. Back of the seats are all good. You have got your little 3-pin plug for there as well, with a 12-volt power there as well. So that's a nice little extra. Charge up your power tools as you're driving along. Door card this side, all good. Entry seals and plastics on this side, all good. Again, more mud block mats, really heavy duty, very comprehensively cover the flooring. Glove box in there. We have vents, etc., all good. We do have passenger airbag. Top of the dashboard's looking good. And then your passenger side seat, as you can see, Wildtrak embossed, and seat trims all looking pretty good on there for you as well. And then around to the driver's side door card, rear door card. This is all good. Door bins are good. Again, rubber matting. Back of the seats are good. Seats on this side all looking nice. And then driver's side door card, again, all good. Electric windows, central locking, door shuts, all looking good. Again, mud block rubber mats. Electric seats, driver's side seat, as you can see, all in nice condition. We have auto lights, front fog lights, dashboard illumination, electric folding mirrors. I'll show you under the bonnet in a second. And then inside here we have auto dim mirror. We have the all-important sunglasses holder, obviously. Let's fire her up and we'll just wait for this to set up. So,
and I think, you know, as politicians, there were times when I had
just connected up to my telephone at the moment, and you've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB, FM and AM. If I engage reverse gear, you've got reverse gear as well. We have your whole climate control system and your heated seats. We have USB power down there. We have 2 12-volt powers there as well. Stop-start technology, rear diff lock, hill descent, electronic stability program, parking sensors. Looks like it's got auto park technology on it as well. Never tried it, probably never will. 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive and 4 low. Switchable gearbox. It does have a sports mode. The new Ranger is missing the sports mode. I really missed that, I have to say. In here, it hasn't been cleaned, but we will clean it. You got your leather multifunction steering wheel, all looking pretty good there as well. Instrument binnacle is all clean and tidy. Oh, I've left the tailgate open or the bonnet open, and I've just popped the bonnet, haven't I? So warning light on it for that. Lane departure warning system, main beam on that side, wipers are on that side. Cruise control, it is adaptive cruise as well, which is really nice. And then this one controls your left hand side of your dash here, this one controls the right hand side of your dash. Really nice setup inside. They're just a great work truck. I think you kind of think, oh, is the 2 litre going to be enough? But it is. 213 brake. Oh, hang on a second. Oh, that wasn't a very slick part of the video, trying to open the bonnet there, was it? So, bonnet's on hydraulic struts. Under here though, as you can see, it's all pretty neat and tidy. There's your coolant, correct coloured coolant for Ford, no contamination in it. Dipsticks all the way back there. That's your gearbox on there, that's your oil, and there's your oil dipstick, that is the oil filler. But as you can see underneath the bonnet there, everything is all very good. And that, my friends, is about it. Now, there are 50 to 60 photos on the website. I have just taken those. I'll patch this video together so it's one video, which will probably be about 15 minutes of your life you're never going to get back. But there's an honest description of the truck, a great specification truck. A few minor bits on it, but overall I would say above average condition for the age and the miles. Now, if you're worried about who you're buying off, check out our reputation online. We have reviews, most importantly on Google, but we have a presence on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and you are watching this video on our YouTube channel, so like and subscribe for all of our latest purchases. Thanks very much for watching. Nice little Ford Ranger with all of that kit on the back. So that hardtop's about £3,000, plus the draw system, that's £4,500, plus a load liner. You know, it all adds up, doesn't it? Big money if you wanted to spec it out like this. I've done it a few times myself. Don't really want to do it unless I have to. There you go. Thanks for watching. Any queries, come back to me. Simon, Vans Today. Cheers, bye.